Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is a very lazy morning. I'm on vacation. I'm super sleepy, but I still need to go out. I don't know what makeup I'm going to do. I will only know that in the process of the makeup. So first I'm going to moisturize my face. I've already done my skin routine, which is there in the video sections. In Facebook, it's there in the video section. On Makeover Madness, it's about what suits you. That's the name of the page. And on YouTube, the channel is called Sreenanda Shankar, and you'll find that video in the playlist called My Daily Makeup. And if you are watching this on YouTube, I have added some important links of important videos that will help you with your makeup, and you can have a look at them. So I'm gonna first moisturize my face. I'm going to use a little bit of liquid foundation. Very little as usual. And then I'm going to blend this all over the face. I need a little more on this side. Just that much. And I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. Blend this out. I'm going to do a light contour on my face with a powder based contour with a soft brush. I don't like harsh lines for daily makeup. You'll see I keep repeating the same things in every video because in every video everybody asks the same questions, and for a lot of people that video is the first one they're watching, so just bear with me. For the nose, just flatten the brush and put it on two sides, and that's good enough. No sharp lines. Although it's a daytime look, I want it to be a little bright. So we'll do a nude upper lid and maybe some blue kohl. So I'm using this nude palette. It's got all these neutral shades. I'll take a mix of this shade and this shade. And this is the PAC 217 brush. So a little bit of this and a little bit of this. And as usual, always tap off the extra product. Just apply it on your upper lid. Take it up till your crease line. And if you have hooded eyes, then you go further up. Bring a little to the bottom. I'm going to use a blue kajal. Now, a lot of people put a black kohl inside and then put a blue eyeshadow outside. That kind of changes the whole look. We're going to make it really blue. So I'm using a blue kohl and then I'll smudge it with a blue eyeshadow. This is a very easy eye makeup look. I try and show easy makeup looks because that's what I've seen most women want. Now take a pencil brush and any blue eyeshadow of your choice. I'm going with this one so that it's really bright. And pencil brushes, as I say, are available in a various range of brands. Just keep one in your kit. It helps out to smudge out kohls and eyeshadows, and it's a good thing to keep in your kit. Okay, so now I'm gonna smudge this blue kajal with a blue eyeshadow to make the color really pop. You can take any blue of your choice. If you don't want it to be so stark and so bright, you can go for a darker muted blue as well. I'm just having some fun today. I'm going to set my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Huda Legit Lashes Mascara. I'm going to use the volume side first. Please use products of your own choice. I use my own products. These are no collabs or promotions. These are my personal products. And what I share is the technique. So, for example, if I'm using this mascara, doesn't mean you have to use this mascara. Just go with the technique of the makeup. But if you do want to use the ones that I'm using, then just exactly type what I've captioned in the video. You'll get them all in Nykaa, Tira Beauty, Amazon, or Sephora. And the reason I don't share links is because they expire in a month. I'm doing the blue kajal on my lower lash line and waterline. If you want to, please go ahead and put some on top as well. It's already a bright color, so I don't want my whole eye to look too blue. So my eye makeup is done. I always prime my lips with a nude lip liner that makes the lipstick stay longer. Then I'm going to use a darker lip liner to define my lips. I'm using this MAC shade called Sheer Outrage. I'm using a very subtle blush. It's called Bareback by Nude Sticks. I'm using a cream blush because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for a powder-based one. I'm going to use a little highlighter. I always like to touch up my powder a bit. I don't like baking because it looks very dry. Unless it's a very heavy look, I avoid it. Do subscribe to my channel, do follow my Facebook page. My Facebook page is called Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you. That's the page dedicated to makeup. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.